everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm back and I have another small haul. This is called Magical Birthday Girl by Echo Park. This is new to me. It actually was released in 2020 and but I did not know about it, and believe it or not, I actually found this paper as I was looking for the Michaels paper on michaels.com. Just searched birthday paper pads, and the It's Your Day paper from Michaels, it did not pop up because it's new, but this one popped up in a 6x6 paper pad, and so I had to look at it because it looked really cute. So anyway, I found it on Amazon, and I purchased it. So I did order the ephemera, but it's not here yet, so I think that might be coming tomorrow. So I will show that to you as soon as I get it, but I'm super excited. I haven't really seen the paper yet, so I just opened the package and I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you guys. So again, it's called Magical Birthday Girl, and this is the kit, which contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers, so you only get one of each design, and then you also get the accompanying 12 by 12 element sticker. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you. These are the stickers, these are the element stickers, and I'm just going to share it with you here real quick. But isn't this adorable? It's for a girl, birthday girl, but they also have a magical birthday boy. So if you'd rather make cards with, you know, the darker colors, you can check that one out. But I wanted this one because pastels are my jam. So so there's that one. Here's this paper. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love that it's a black background because it just makes everything pop, and you can definitely cut this apart if you wanted to. But look at those fun birthday wishes, birthday sentiments, perfect for cards. And then here it's another cut apart here that is a 3x4 cards, journaling cards if you will. But isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh, I must have been snoozing when this came out because I sure did not see it. And look at this fun stripe. I may have to get another set because it only comes with one each, and the background, the reverse side, is just as gorgeous as the front. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And as you guys know, I am in kind of birthday mode right now because I have some birthday packages, birthday cards and gifts that I need to finish up. I love this, so I think I do need another set of this because it's just too adorable. And look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are it looks like about an inch, but it could be a little bit more than an inch. Hopefully it is, so that you can use it for your flare buttons. But oh my gosh, that's exactly what it's what it's designed for. Or you can put it on your bottle caps. So just take your 1 inch round circle punch, and it'll be perfect for that. Oh my gosh, it's too cute. This was one of the reasons why I needed to get this paper, because I really love this that particular page, and it's beautiful right here. Again, you have some more cut aparts, and these are the 3x3s. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. So in love. Or are these 4x4s? Oh, sorry, they're 4x4s. I said 3x3s. They're 4x4 cut aparts. Isn't that just, oh my gosh, it is just beautiful. And then you have this craft with polka dots on it. The balloons, cards. Yes. Again, super cute. And it does have a hint of Disneyland. As you'll see later, there is, I think there's a paper that has the castle. Another cut apart here, birthday celebration, birthday girl, birthday cupcakes, yes. Here's to the birthday girl. I just love it. And look at this pretty plaid. Yeah, I definitely need another one because I need both sides. Every single design is so cute. Look at this one. And then in the back you have the polka dots, which I love. You can make so many cards out of this. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I need to make a bunch of cards. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice. And then here's the castle, like I was saying. So it is great for some Disney layout or mini album. And then you have the starburst here, or that would be the fireworks, I think, like at Disneyland. Oh, I love it. I decided to go ahead and make this birthday card. It's a trifold, and so I did have to put a closure for it because it got a tad bit bulky on the inside. Not that bulky, but it just didn't close properly. So anyway, I added some bling. Had to put the stars because it says birthday magic on it. And it says birthday magic starts here. And I used the stickers, popped them up on foam. And so, you know, they're a little bit dimensional. And yeah, just used just the sticker elements. And then this paper here is actually one of the 4x6 cards, and that's exactly what I used. For my base, I actually used shimmer paper from Michaels in pink because the pink matched perfectly with this collection. And you open it up and it says to the birthday girl. And then here is the paper with the balloons. And then you open it up this way. You can put your message for the recipient. And then I made another one of these cute little tag with pockets in it, just like the one I made for KS Craft, this one right here. If you guys remember seeing this on my last project video. This time I put a flat bow, and then I figured these are teeny tiny bows, so it shouldn't make it bulky, but still it did a little bit. So if I don't put the closure, it pops up like that. So that's why I put the ribbon closure. So anyway, it says happy birthday. And then I just love how, the recipient can just pull these out and it says happy birthday, let's party. And then this one says, oh, this one doesn't say anything, but it has the cake. So I thought that was so fun and cute. And I should probably put this one down here, and then she can take this out last. But I thought that was really fun. And then the back, I meant to put the reverse of this paper in the back, but I ended up using the same paper. I flipped it over, I forgot. But anyway, I think this would look really nice also just to display on your table like that. Because, it's all the panels are, you could even display it this way. You can display it this way, and it says birthday magic starts here. So I think it's really cute. So let me know what you guys think of my trifold card. All right, so there it is. There is my birthday card. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.